Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm really happy to have you. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm happy to have you too. I'm really excited because today I have a Stitch Fix, and for those of you that have been around with me for a little while, you know Stitch Fix is one of my favorites. So I'm so excited to share that with you. So if you don't know, Stitch Fix is a styling service that you go online, you fill out a style profile, and a stylist curates a box of 5 items that ships out to your house: clothing, shoes, bags, jewelry, things like that. So I have a style pass, which I paid $49 for the year for, but normally you pay $20 a month, and then your styling fee does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. If you keep all 5 items, you also get a 25% off discount, which is nice. And I've actually kept my boxes, my whole boxes, quite a bit, I think, in the fall. They have some really good clothing in the fall, I've noticed. But anyway, so I already opened my box, and I'm excited to share what I got with you. This could be a 5 for 5. If it's not, it's really close. So I'm going to show you the items that I got, and then we'll try them on. I haven't tried them on yet. So my first ever Stitch Fix bag. So I'm super excited. I will tell you, you can leave a note for your stylist, and sometimes I do. 99% of the time I do, so almost always I do. I didn't leave her a note this time. I just forgot to leave her a note, really, but she did a really great job, and I was kind of looking for a bag for work, and I got a bag. So this is I'll go over the prices after. This is the Urban Expressions Robi Classic Work Tote in Brown. So it's a really, oh, I didn't want to show you that part yet. Oh, well, you saw it. Sneak peek. So this is the tote, and it's a really pretty color. One thing that I love, legs. Yes, so important so it can stand up, right? Inside of the tote, it's nicely lined. It's got stripes as the lining. And then it's also, which I really, really like, got some compartments. So the middle is this nice zipper compartment. The side has another zipper over here. And the other side of the tote has pockets. So for your phone and things like that. I'm really happy with this tote. This is definitely a keeper for me. And then look at this. So I love bigger bags like this. So I might not even use this just for work. I might use this as like a daily bag. I know I'm crazy, but I love big bags. But then you get this little kind of clutch to go with it, which detaches from the purse, which is nice because if I'm doing shopping or if I go out or something like that, I can just kind of carry this. I don't have to bring a big bag. So I'm really happy with this bag. All right, the next thing that I have is this leopard. No, we know I love leopard, by 41 Hawthorn. It's the Gerri animal print cardigan in dark gray. So it's just a button-down cardigan, long sleeve. Like the color. I'm excited to try this on. If you watched my Natalie Attired from this past week, I got a leopard pullover, like it was like sweatshirt material. It was really cute, but I sent it back because it was pricey for what it was, in my opinion. So I'm hoping this one is a little bit less expensive because this one I can definitely wear to work, so I feel like I'd get more use out of it. And then the next thing I have is by Rainn. And this is the Becru Lace Detail Blouse in black. So this is really, really pretty. I love Rainn's tops. They are a little bit pricey, but I find that I pull for them constantly. So I get a lot of use out of them. So I feel like for me, at least, it's worth the money because I'm wearing them a lot. And so this is just a black blouse. The top is so pretty. So it's all lace. So it's short sleeve, but it's good for layering this time of year under cardigans. And the back, I want to show you. Look how pretty that lace is. I just love that. All right, and then the next thing is by Vero Moda. It's the Yak's crew neck pullover sweater in It's not caramel, it's Carnel. That's, unless it's just a typo. All right, so here's the sweater. It's this black and kind of mocha, or I guess caramel type color stripe. So it's really soft, but the only thing that I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm thinking the neckline. I know, you know how I am about my necklines. I don't know, we'll see what that does, or what that looks like. And then lastly, These are, if you watched my last Stitch Fix video, I got a pair of red pants. These are another pair of red pants by Lakeview Denim. They're the Alex colored skinny jean, and they're calling this burgundy, but this is definitely red to me. And I think you guys are probably gonna say the same thing. They're definitely red. But I can already tell I'm gonna like these a little bit better. I like the material, how it feels a little bit better. And then the other ones had this cuff on the bottom, and these are just kind of a straight leg, which I really like because I can wear them with booties. I can cuff them myself. I can stick them into tall boots. So let's try everything on and see what we think. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the first cardigan. This is the leopard print cardigan, and it's a 41 Hawthorn Gerri animal print cardigan in dark gray for $64. So a little pricey, but I really like it. You know I'm a leopard fan, so this is a Kayla top. And this is something that I can wear to work with black pants. So this is a keeper for me, I think. I really do like the print. I'm not sure if you can see on camera how it's coming across, but isn't that pretty? It's really a nice animal print, and I do like the dark gray. I did not keep the, I think, did I mention that in my intro? The top for my Natalie attire that was leopard. I just thought it was too casual, and this I can definitely wear to work, so I really like it. And then it's a button up, so I could also wear it unbuttoned with other, you know, tanks and things like that. So I think it's a keeper for me. And the length, look how long it is. It's perfect for me. So, all right, 1 second, and I'll be right back with the next top. All right, so this is the Vero Moda Yak's crew neck pullover sweater in camel for $64. It really doesn't do anything for me, I don't think. It's just kind of, I think, boxy. The length is good, so see, it comes down long enough for my liking. The sleeves are a little long, so I'd have to just kind of pull them up. And another thing is, for me personally, the neckline is too high. I wish it was a V-neck or a lower cut. I just don't like them too close to my neck like that. I think I've told her, but I don't know. Maybe she didn't think this was that bad, because it's, for most people it's probably not, but for me, I just don't really care for it. But I don't know. I do like the colors of it. I just don't think it's a Kayla top. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna try on the red pants with the black Daniel Rainn shirt, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have on the last two clothing items. So the first one is the Daniel Rainn top, and it's the Becru lace detail blouse in black for $68. And then I also have on the pants. They're the Lakeview Denim Alex colored skinny jean in burgundy for $58. So let's look at the top first, which I really love. The top I just think is so pretty. I'm gonna come closer so you can see. Look at all the beautiful lace on the top and the sleeve. Sorry, I need a tan, I know. I need some color. But it's just so pretty with the lace detail on each sleeve too. So this will be a great layering piece for right now. And then once it gets warmer and I get a little color, I can wear alone in the spring and the summertime. So I really like this top. I know it's a little pricey, but I find myself pulling for the Daniel Rainn tops quite frequently. So I'm willing to spend more money because I feel like I'm getting a lot of use out of them. So I'm getting my money's worth. And look at the length. It's so perfect. I really like it. I don't think I could send this one back. And then I'll turn the camera down a little bit so you guys can see the pants. So the pants to me, they're not as comfortable as the last pair of pants I got that were red. So they're calling these burgundy, but in my opinion, they're red. And I don't know if it's gonna come across as red on camera, but I think these are red pants. But anyway, they're not as comfortable as the ones that I got. I think I'm spoiled by Liverpool and Cut From The Cloth because those pants are so comfortable. And any other denim, I'm just kind of find myself comparing to those. So I don't know. I do like the color. I think they're really pretty. I might keep them just because the price point's pretty good. I think they're cheaper than the tops that are in my box. But I don't know. They're good length, and I like the color. It's just the fit. But then again, if they're not comfortable, how much will I pull for them? So I don't know. Let me know what you think of these. All right, I'll be right back, and we'll do a... All right, what'd you think? I'm really not sure. I thought it was gonna be a 5 for 5. When I did my preview, when I pulled it out of the box when I first got it, I'm like, I think this is gonna be a 5 for 5, but no, I was fooled. I definitely know that I'm going to keep this bag. So I love the bag. great for work. To be honest, great for my everyday use. The color's great. The compartments are great. So this bag's gonna be a keeper for me. The only other thing that I'm absolutely sure about at this point is this Daniel Rainn top, the black blouse with the lace. I thought it was so pretty, and I know it's pricey, but I can get use out of it now with my cardigans and things like that. And then once it gets warmer, which feels like it's so long away, it's such a long time away that it's gonna get warmer, I can wear it alone. So those are the only two things that I'm absolutely sure about at this point. The other three items, the red pants, the mocha and black sweater, and the leopard sweater. I know, aren't you surprised I'm on the fence about the leopard sweater? I've been thinking about it after I tried it on, and I don't know. I just don't know that it's worth $64. What do you think? So anyway, my whole box, sorry, I thought Lexi was getting into something. My whole box would be $302 if I kept all 5 items, and my buy all discount of 25% off would be take off $75.50, so my whole box would be $226.50, but I'm not gonna keep the whole box. I think it's just these 2 items, but you guys let me know what you think. Am I off on some of the things? What do you think about the leopard cardigan? Should I keep that? Because I do like leopard print, but you know what? I just don't think I found the perfect leopard print cardigan for me yet. I think I should keep looking, and I might just do that. But anyway, I already have some leopard print cardigans upstairs, but I really want another one, but I want it to be a perfect one and one that'll pull for a lot. All right, so thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you all have a great day, and I'll see you really soon. And so will Lexi. She loves spending some time with you guys too. She can't keep herself away from the camera. All right, I'll see you guys later.